This is a test. This is only a test.
Hello all. Welcome to Impulsive Cooking. I'm your host, Impulsive Disaster, aka The Ed. Today, we'll be making, you guessed it, one second. Hamburgers. For this, all you need is your burgers, your condiments, and of course, buns. Now that you have that, all you need is your slabs of meat. And after it fries, then you just put it on a bun and... Well, that's all folks. Be sure to hit follow, subscribe, and make any requests. I've been your host, Impulsive Disaster, aka The Ed.